be honest, sometime during your content creation career, you have told yourself, I need to get a better camera. I need the latest DSLR. I need that $1,500 camera so that way my videos will look more professional and they can have better quality, and now I'll get more views. That's what I need to do. But I can't do that right now. I don't have the money for it, so I guess I'm just not going to post any videos. Or I'll just wait until I have enough money and then I'll start recording videos. I'm here to tell you it is a brand new time. You no longer need these expensive cameras to get views on YouTube. Especially this year in 2024, we have noticed that the lower quality videos are actually performing better. And not just for our channel, but other channels that we've noticed on YouTube. And to prove this to you, I'm actually going to show you some examples from our channel where, without telling you, I shot a video with a $1,500 camera and all of the other ones are shot with our iPhone. That is it, just our iPhone. We didn't spend any extra money to get an extra camera. We just used exactly what we had in our phone. And here's the crazy part. I didn't even use the rear-facing camera. I used the front-facing, which we all know for my iPhone users out there, it's definitely not as good of a camera as your rear-facing, and still produce a lot of views from it. So I want to show you that and also explain to you that video quality doesn't make the video. Yes, it needs to look somewhat good. You don't want it to be choppy or glitchy or any of that, sure. But as long as it's clear, you can make any video look good. So I'm going to go into our analytics and I'm going to show you these different videos that I've created. One's with a camera, $1,500 camera, and the other one's with our iPhone. And we're going to look at the difference. All right, so I'm in my dashboard right now and I'm going to go to all of our videos. And right here, this video, I purposely did this video with this camera. And I'm going to show you the intro of that video so you can kind of see it. But before we do that, I want you to look at the analytics. 318 views from this. This was posted, when was this? August 14th, which at the time of recording was about 7 days ago, so about a week ago. Only 318 views. All right, 3 subscribers, only made $2 on it. Right? Impressions, 5.7K. That's it. We only got 5.7K impressions on it. Click-through rate was down, so that means my thumbnail wasn't that good, which I did do more edits in this one, and it didn't do good. Okay, that was a test. Engagement was decent though, 5 minutes and 59 seconds, so a little bit more than usual. Okay, so that was good. So let's go to the video and we're actually going to watch what it looks like. All right, I wanted to be honest with you guys and actually show you how we gained over 2,000 subscribers in under 3 months on a brand new channel, and the truth on how this really happened, because a lot of YouTubers, they kind of gatekeep this. They don't tell you or show you the analytics behind everything. I'm going to even go into my dashboard and show you everything from when we started to where we are now, how we gained all these subscribers, and what really ended up working for us. So I'm not going to waste any more of your time. So you see it right there. It's pretty clean. Audio, video, all of that looks really good. The shallow depth of field is definitely better than the iPhones, but the iPhone isn't far off. And yes, it does look super clean as far as on my face and the detail. But again, look at the views. It does not matter. Doesn't mean because you have a better camera, you're going to get more views. I'm going to show you a worse video that I recorded that honestly, the lighting was terrible too. Here's the other thing. I have good lighting on. Like in this video right now, I have lighting coming on right here. These other videos that I'm going to show you don't have that lighting. It's just natural lighting, and you're going to tell it's definitely not as good quality, but the views are there. So we're going to go to those videos next. So this one right here, I posted on August 7th. So what is that? A little over 2 weeks ago. And that video is currently at 2.3K for views. Look at almost 150 watch time hours. We're at 138. Gained 34 subscribers. Made almost $9 on it. And look, it's still getting views till this day. And this is a few weeks ago. Look at up and down right here. The reach, almost 50,000 impressions. Click-through rate, not the best. And let's see, engagement, about 336. Okay, so they stayed for about 3.5 minutes. All right, now I'm going to show you the video, and you're going to see the lighting in this and also just the quality of it. You're going to tell it's going to be a little bit more grainy. The shallow depth of field is good, but it's not super like locked in on me. But you're just going to see the difference. So here we go. So if you didn't know already, this is a brand new channel that has only been up for about 83 days at the time of recording. And these are the 5 things I wish I knew when I started this channel. So the first thing is shorts. Okay, so you can already tell. Look how like grainy it is, and look, I have it all the way up in HD 1080p, right? It's kind of grainy. I'm almost kind of a little, what's the word? Like blurred a little bit, right? Look at the difference of how clean this is. Now I am close to the camera on this one, but even when I was a little farther away, here, look, I'll zoom in on this one. You can see here. This is me closer to the camera, and then we'll take the other one over here, and you guys can see it side by side, what I mean. So we're going to go here. And look how much clearer the one on the right is compared to the one on the left, okay? Also look at my lighting, right? Like, you know, a lot of the couch color kind of blended into the wall behind me, into that white. So it kind of made me like a yellow tint. And then, you know, we got the light here, but that's not even really blurred out that much. Look at my blur behind me with the plant over here. And even, you can't even read that word up there. So definitely, even my chair, look at how that's all blurred. All right, definitely way different. And I used the cinematic mode on iPhone, which is still really good, okay? But you can definitely tell the difference in quality. But this one got 2.2K, all right? And this one got 310 views. So that brings me to, how did I get those views? From using a not as good camera, which is still a good camera, but not as good as a, you know, camera that's specifically for video content. And the main reason is this: topic. It didn't matter if I did good quality on the video, bad quality. I could have shot it on iPhone 3 with, you know, ages ago. I could have shot a video on that. As long as I had the topic right and I gave value in the topic and it was, you know, good for YouTube and our audience, it would have got pushed no matter what. And that's what I want to really explain with this video is, yes, it is a comparison of, you know, iPhone quality and then your DSLRs, which iPhone is not too far off now because it's so advanced with these cameras. It's insane. So I highly do recommend using your iPhone or Android, or any of the smartphones right now are pretty close to any DSLR. And just how portable it is and how easy it is to offload, you know, record and offload is, you know, just amazing. But the bigger reason I'm going into this video is to share with you guys that it doesn't matter the quality of it. It matters the topic, the title, and then, yes, what you're talking about and if you're giving value in that. But your topic is so important, and that's why on this channel we really try to have you focus on the topic before you go into any video. And so you want that topic first, and then you want the title behind it. So, for example, for this video, I knew I wanted to make this video, but I planned this weeks in advance because I told myself I'm going to shoot a video with a nice camera, and then later I'm going to talk about it, and I'm going to compare and see, does it give you more views, does it not? So I kind of tested that out, and the results came in that it didn't help me get any more views. So that makes me think, okay, if it doesn't have to do with your camera quality, so what does that mean? It means people clicked on it for either the thumbnail and the title, which what does that stem from? Your topic. So I had to create that topic. So for this video today, this was the topic. It was about comparing the DSLR with the iPhone and does quality really matter? And so then from there, I decided to come up with a title. And we brainstorm title, guys. Me and my dad, we go back and forth and we end up just spitballing to each other until we find one that works. And then we kind of build off of that until we find the best title that we think will work for our audience. So a lot of people shoot the video first and then they're going to come up with their title, and then they're going to be, you know, try to piece it together where it makes sense with their video. But that's backwards. You need to create that title first. But before the title is your topic. So your topic can't just be too broad to the fact of, yeah, I'm going to shoot a video about good quality camera. All right, that's too broad. It needs to be something that's intriguing, but also something that's, you know, a problem people are seeing. So like, I know content creators are always focused on what's the best camera to use. You know, what's the best quality camera? What's the best equipment for, you know, vlogging, for sit down videos, for just whatever, a DIY video. And so I took all of that knowledge, that what I'm hearing from people and what they keep talking about, and then what I did is decided, okay, there is a topic for that. So now let me see how I can kind of niche this down a little bit to where it applies to my audience. So then obviously I know that you guys are into content creation because you're watching these videos, and we're helping you on content creation and growing on YouTube, specifically YouTube. So now I can target down and go, okay, my topic is going to be about cameras for YouTube or quality for YouTube, because now, I'm focusing on YouTube and not TikTok, not Instagram, but YouTube. So now I'm letting YouTube know all of this information. But that's just a topic. Now the title, I'm going to take what my topic is and I'm going to condense that into a title that makes sense, that's intriguing, that gives a wow feature, but also answers the questions that you guys have. The whole point of this video is to show you quality doesn't produce views. Topics, titles, thumbnails, and value produces views. And it's not just these 2 videos, guys. I'm going to show you our whole channel. Our biggest videos. So we're going to go to our biggest videos right now. I'll go to, let me filter it to, where's my views? There we go. I'm going to filter it to my views. All right. 28,000 views right here, right? This video, sitting in a chair with an iPhone and a mic. Sitting in a chair, iPhone, mic. Sitting in a chair, iPhone, mic. iPhone. Now, I will say this one was a better camera. This is my dad's camera that he used in this one for his desk setup that he uses for brand creators.
All right, so I'm just going to cut to the chase.
Better quality. So that one is a little bit better. That was actually one of our first videos, kind of pop, 1,100 views. All right, but another one, right? Again, iPhone, iPhone, iPhone. Even these desk setup ones, these are all iPhones, guys. I'm just using iPhone. iPhone in the car. Right? These are all iPhones. So it doesn't matter the camera you use. Get that out of your head right now that you need to wait to make videos until you have the best camera or the best mic. No, you can make it work with the things you have. And almost everyone has a smartphone in 2024. So press that record button and start using that camera. But you don't need these special DSLRs to make your channel blow up. So I hope you found this video useful. And if you want me to actually go in depth on an iPhone camera versus a DSLR, I can do that as well. So just drop that in the comments if you want to see that. And also, if you want to see the difference in mics, I've already done a video on that where I took a $25 Amazon mic and then the DJI mic that we're using right now. So you can kind of see the comparison and what's better, and also compare it to a regular iPhone's mic. So if you want to see that video, go over here and I'll see you there.